Make money online, affiliate marketing tips for beginners. The amount of money you can earn online without your own product is unbelievable. There is no reason why you can't profit by using creative methods that offer real value to consumers. But, without a plan and a strategy in place, it can be very difficult. Once you have strategically developed your plan and figured out what niche you plan to pursue, now it is time to put your plan into action. The first and most obvious question you will ask yourself concerning affiliate marketing is, what am I going to promote? Do I sell physical products, digital products, or provide a service? Let's say you choose digital products. At first, focus on one niche product category. Then, over time, branch out and promote more once you get the hang of it. Initially, what you want to look for is a niche product with relatively high demand, enough to make it profitable, but not too competitive. There are online tools available that will let you know how competitive any given niche is, such as Uber Suggests and RFs. Another way to see what the demand is for products you are interested in is to look at search engine results, such as Google. Just type in a keyword or keyword phrase to see how frequently people search for a particular keyword or product you are considering. The result of this research should give you a good idea whether or not the product you are considering is in demand. Also, if you scroll down to the bottom of the Google search results page, you will find related search results. You can also look at the YouTube suggestions when you type something in the search box. There are lots of ways to sell affiliate products. It's really not as difficult as you may think. The beauty about affiliate marketing is that you don't even need your own website. However, it is best that you do have your own website. WordPress makes this very easy to set up. It isn't hard at all to find affiliate marketing opportunities on the internet. Once you have figured out what affiliate network you want to join and what product you want to promote, you will now need a platform to promote it on. So do yourself a favor and get a website with your own domain name. You can get your domain name and web hosting at sites like HostGator, Bluehost, and GoDaddy, to name a few. If at all possible, your domain name should be related to the niche you choose or your brand. Like I previously stated, a website is not a necessity, it's a bonus. As an affiliate marketer, you need to capture email addresses, then convert prospects into a sale. Having your own website also allows you an opportunity to give away something for free, like a digital ebook in exchange for a prospect's name and email address. This way, you can stay in contact with your potential customers with future offers. Build your own list, not someone else's. It is key to any successful online business. Let's say you choose to promote a product on social media or YouTube. It is to your advantage to have a website in place where you can send the visitors to from those platforms. This way you can introduce them to more offers and obtain email addresses. With that being said, one of the most common affiliate marketing mistakes is to think that all you have to do is find a high-paying affiliate offer to promote, drive traffic to that offer through your affiliate link, and you're all set, right? Not exactly. It's great to choose an affiliate program that pays a high percentage, but that's not the most important thing to consider. Rather, you want to make sure the product is a proven seller. You don't want to waste your time and money driving traffic to an offer that doesn't convert. Find one with a good conversion rate. Also, make sure the affiliate network you sign up with provides its affiliates with the resources they need to become successful. Look for one that provides banners, email swipes, videos, and other tools you can use to promote their products. Affiliate marketing networks minimize the risk of selling online. To become an affiliate marketer, it doesn't require much money to get started. Your initial costs will be for web hosting, your domain name, and an email autoresponder service like GetResponse, ConvertKit, and Aweber, to name a few. With affiliate marketing programs, you will likely be given a wide range of products to promote, physical, digital, as well as services. You should try to stay away from trendy items. They'll sell like mad one minute, but you will be giving them away the next. You want to promote offers that you know people want and need. That way your long-term sales objectives will be met. Try to offer a variety of things. Basing your business on one product may work in the short term. However, eventually, as times change, if the product is not a green product, the demand will subside. Make sure to set your business apart from others. You need to establish what makes you and what you offer better from others. Below in the description are some suggestions to help you get started with your affiliate marketing endeavors. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can be first to know when I release new videos. Thanks for watching.